Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to check our word count in Google Docs, alright? And we're also gonna add this window, so when we type we will see a live update of the word count, alright? So all we have to do is go to the menu and click on this one, Tools. Now go and click on this one, Word Count. You also got this shortcut from your keyboard, so just click on Word Count. So now we get this word count pop-up. We see pages and words. So as you can see, I have 168 words, and we have characters and characters excluding spaces. So to add a word count live update when you type, display word count while typing. So I'm gonna check this one. After that, just click on OK. And now we see right here in the bottom left corner this small window, 168 words. If we click on this arrow, we also see one page, characters and characters excluding spaces. And you can also choose hide word count. So if I add words, so we added 4 words, and we also added 4 words in this word counter. Okay, so comment below if this worked for you. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.